Hey y'all, welcome back. It's been a while. I've got some big news. Brace yourself. Baby number 4 is on the way. Here is baby number 4. Cooking away. If you're new here, welcome. I am a crazy busy mama. I have 3 little ones, ages 4, 2, and 1. And now we have another one on the way. So life is crazy. But I am just a busy mama of little ones that loves to play in all things girly and try to keep it real and share some tips on making looking cute a little bit easier for all of us. So today I'm so excited because this company, Glamnetic, actually partnered up with me, and they are going to start sending me products each month to show y'all and try out. So this month we have a whole slew of goodies to try out. As you can see, my nails are not done, which is like insanely rare because I cannot stand the way it looks when I have plain Jane fingernails. So if you can guess, that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. So we got 3 cute, well, nope, 4 cute styles of nails to choose from this month to try out. And we also got these super cute magnetic lashes and liner to try out. So excited. So because they partnered up with me, if y'all like any of these products, if you want to go grab them, use my code. Make sure you use my code Chelsea15 and you can get 15% off your order of qualifying items. All right, so first I think we want to try out the lashes first. Let's go ahead and throw on these lashes. I have tried out Glamnetic's products before and I love them so much. If you know me, I am not a fake lash kind of girl. I just feel like I have big butterflies on my eyelids and I just can't stand the way it feels or looks on me. I just feel like it looks weird on me. So when I tried these out, if y'all hadn't watched that video, go check it out. But I have never felt fake lashes that felt like nothing before until I tried these. And the second thing I love about these is it's magnetic. So you get the liner and it just sticks to the liner. So you don't have to fool with glue and all the messiness, which I hate. So the lash I got to try out for y'all this month is called Precious. And it is a half lash. Super cute packaging. All their stuff is super cute. But it's a half lash and I thought, that's more my speed. Let's try out this half lash and see. So it's a cute little like slide out drawer type thing. These are their little tweezers called the Lash Grab. On one end it's got like a lash comb and the other end it's tweezers. So it just helps with the application. I got this liner. This is the Hello Kitty like special edition liner. And it's the magnetic felt tip eyeliner pen, and I got black. They do have brown, and then I think they have like a bunch of different bright colors too. Like I said, the liner is magnetic. So once you put the liner on, it's super easy. So here goes, y'all. I already have liner on, obviously, because I've already done my makeup for the day, but you can see how easily this goes on and how easy it is. And my liner is in need of a touch-up anyways. Goes on super easy. And then, so this is a half lash, as you can see. So I'm gonna focus it more towards the outer edge of my eye. And look at that, y'all. It just sticks right to it. It just adds a little bit of volume, but like, look at the difference. Look at that. That is insane. Once the lash is on, y'all, it is like super, I mean, y'all can see it pulling my skin. Super on. It's super on. Like, it's not going anywhere. And so it's that simple, y'all. Literally, you just put your liner on like you normally would. It just sticks right, like it just grabs right to it. And I mean, this is one of the best lashes I've seen on me because it doesn't look too crazy, too big, too bold. It just gives me a little extra something. So I look like a little more put together. All right, let's do this other eye real quick. Do y'all see that? How it just like grabs right to that liner. Just like that. And then you can take this other little end. You can kind of fix some if you need to tweak some hairs and get it to kind of blend with your natural lash. But how crazy is that, y'all? Such a good looking lash. Like, I love these so much. Okay, so if you want to grab this style, go grab it before it's gone. This is the style Precious. This is the Hello Kitty and Friends magnetic liner in the shade black. And make sure you use my code Chelsea15 to get 15% off. Okay, let's move on and try out some nails. We got 4 styles of nails. Okay, this first one is kind of like a glittery pink. It's called Juicy. So these are like a long coffin shape. Then we also got these called Creme de Nude, which is kind of like a nude to white tip. And they're also in that same long coffin. Then we got this classic, pretty, kind of like trendy French that's going around right now in the almond shape. And these are the short almond. So these are a little shorter and a different shape. And then in that same shape, we got these, which are similar, but they're colored. And these are called Sprinkles. So which one do we want to do? That's going to be the toughest decision. I'm kind of liking these sparkly pink ones. I am more of a short nail girl. Like, I just feel like I cannot do everything I need to do as a mama with super long nails. I think I'm feeling these glittery pink ones. I just don't know. Like, are y'all seeing this? Look at these. I mean, it's the little girl in me. Anything sparkly, I can't. These are definitely cute. Also, going back and forth between the two, but I think I want to try the sparkly pink. We only have a little bit left before it's like super into fall. So it might be my last chance to wear these sparkly pink ones. Let's try the sparkly pink ones. These are called Juicy. Look how pretty these are. And they're a little longer than I'm used to, but we're gonna try something different today. I'm feeling it. So each little box of nails comes with all your little press-on nails in various sizes so that you can choose the right size for each nail. Plus, you get an alcohol pad to prep your nails. You get a little file. You get this cuticle stick, and you get the glue, all included in your little box. I like to dump my nails in this little tray so I can get to them good. And then we'll go ahead and pick out our sizes. They do have itty bitty teeny weeny little numbers on the tips. So if you find one that fits, like this one fits my thumb really good. You want to make sure it's covering your nail, but it's not going over the edge at all onto your skin, because then it'll lift up easily. So you want to make sure it's just on your nail, but covering the whole nail. This is a size 3. So because I know that, I can go ahead and grab another 3 for my other thumb, because most likely they'll be the same size. Okay, so I went ahead and got all my sizes picked out and laid out. First, we're gonna take our little alcohol pad and just go ahead and make sure your nails are super clean and free of any oils or anything. Then this is their nail glue. Okay, so you just twist it to break that seal. What you do is we'll start with our pinky nail. So we're gonna take and put a little dot of glue on the inside of our nail, just like that. And then you put also a little dot on your actual nail. All you do is line it up, press it on, mash it down, and just hold it on there for a few seconds to let it dry. I just count to like 10, 20, something like that, maybe 30. But you can feel like when you let go if the nail is staying in place or if it feels like it's trying to pop back up. So just kind of press it and hold it until that nail feels like it's not going anywhere. Simple as that, y'all. This thing is on, okay? Super easy. So one down. Look at that cute glitter. I cannot with the glitter. Sparkles. Okay, so one down, 9 to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the rest of these on, and then I'll come back and show y'all the finished product. Okay, so y'all, I just finished them. They are a little long for me personally, but look how stinking pretty. So you can definitely file them down with the file that they give you. As you can see, I filed a little bit down on mine, but I didn't want to mess too much with the shape, so I kind of just did a little bit. But y'all, look, like that took me no time to do. If you're in a pinch and you want some nails, you want to look put together, you want to look spicy and extra fresh, you cannot go wrong. I mean, like I said, these are longer, but they have all kinds of options. They have the shorter ones, which I think I might try these next because they're just so cute. They have short round ones. They have almond. They have coffin, like endless designs, endless lengths and shapes. So I just am shocked at how stinking cute the color is. How quick and easy too. Ooh, and now I can scratch. I can scratch good. Y'all, here are some other ones that I have sitting over here. So they have these like super shiny short ones. Those are called Moonlight. These are the short white ones called Angel. These are called Sugar and Spice. That's gonna be really cute for fall, that like brownish color. These absolutely love cow print. I was thinking of mixing these, actually cow prints with these. And see, these are like a shorter round nail. So like I said, they have all different designs. I'm obsessed with this cow print. I might do that next with some white. Ooh, might do white and cow print and this color for fall. That would be cute. These are really cute for summer, these neons. So anyways, endless styles and colors and shapes, but super quick, super easy. Y'all don't forget, use my code Chelsea15 to get 15% off of qualifying items in your purchase. And how stinking cute, y'all. I have been so nauseous and sick and miserable with this pregnancy so far. And I'm just now starting to feel like it's easing up a little bit and I'm able to like function. So I'm so glad I was able to do a video and get back to y'all, and I'm gonna start doing more of them now that I'm feeling a little better. But it's so nice to also be able to put in a little me time and do some stuff that makes me feel girly and special, because when you're sick and miserable and you don't take the time to do your makeup or nails or anything, it just makes you feel even worse. So it's so nice to have something quick and easy like this to feel more put together and special. So, well, that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it and can't wait to see y'all next time. Y'all don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.